Well, today we're over in Phoenix Airport. We're going to be heading to Denver, Colorado, doing a first-class flight. Let's take a look at it and give you a flight review and see what you think about it. So we'll start out with the United Club, where we have got into and are kind of relaxing before our flight. Well, the United Club is just almost about 2 years old, situated there in the United main terminal. Very, very handy and very comfortable. It's not too large, but it definitely gets the job done. You can see this was around Christmas time, and I just wanted to give you a quick idea of what they have in there to serve you. Starts out with some real nice salad accoutrements that you can get, bread, a variety of another mixed salad, some meats, cheeses. Overall, really very, very tasty. This was the lunch menu today, and they had carnitas going, tortillas, cheese, everything for that if you wanted to make yourself some tacos. The bar area, plenty big enough for the size of the club here, and obviously the well drinks are complimentary there. You got waters over here for you if that's what you're looking for. This is something new they added. They added a gelato machine. I'm not really into gelato or any of that type of stuff, but it seemed to be a big hit there in the club. Not sure exactly how you do it because I didn't use it, but this guy, he spent quite a bit of time there working on trying to get his gelato out. You got plenty of workspace in there, benches with power, USB ports. If you want to sit and dine, you have a table in there, and very comfortable chairs. All of the chairs there, leather, and they do have USB ports and regular plug-ins for your convenience. There's little phone booth rooms over there if you want to make some quiet calls. There's 3 all-gender restrooms that are in there, so you have your own private restroom once inside. It's plenty spacious enough for you, and typically always spotless when I've been in there. A few towels were overflowing, but no big deal. So I looked out the window at my gate, and sure enough, there was our aircraft that was just arriving. And it was definitely on time, and it looked as though we were going to get an on-time departure. Well, it was time to head out to the boarding area, which we didn't have far to walk because it was right next to the club, which, again, is very, very convenient.
Thank you.
All right. Well, boarding right on time. Heading on down to the plane. That's good. So after a short walk down the jetway, we headed on board and were greeted by the friendly flight crew. And we're seated in seats 1A and 1C together. Pretty big, comfortable seat, I must say. These are one of the older ones, and they really are nice. They're very wide, very comfortable to sit in. If you look down below, you got power right there. Again, very handy and very easy and convenient. Little drink tray that slides out.
And we have a nice comfy seat here, ready to rock and
roll. Plenty of room there in the center. Seat pitches back pretty good, but I normally try to be considerate of the people behind me, and I leave it up. Got your tray there. It comes out if they're serving meal service or anything, or you want to set your iPad or whatever on top of that. You have plenty of room to do it. This was going to be a short flight, so we weren't going to be getting any meal service, and that was okay. The in-flight entertainment, absolutely excellent. A huge, huge variety of things to pick from. Surprisingly, most of the stuff I had seen already or just really wasn't interested in it. But again, a very good selection for the flight.
A little pre-departure drink. Very nice.
And sure enough, it did look like an on-time departure for us because they pulled the jet bridge back, and pretty soon we were taxiing and heading out for takeoff.
Prevent oxygen is needed on today's flight. Remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light and a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove, and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose ends.
I have to say, the weather in Phoenix, Arizona is absolutely amazing this time of year, which was December. Beautiful, clear days, semi-warm, but it wasn't going to be where we were headed to, which you'll see shortly. So around came the snack box, and this is what we were looking at. We could either have a skinny popcorn or Dot's home-style pretzels. Not really the healthiest treat, but not the worst thing in the world either. We got up to cruising altitude and had an absolutely smooth ride. And then came some cocktail service around for us, which was nice. After a couple of those, the guy was able to get pretty relaxed in these comfortable seats up front. Overall, there was not a whole lot to review on the flight other than, as I've said before, on-time departure, on-time arrival. Staff on the aircraft, flight attendants, absolutely outstanding. No complaints whatsoever. Very friendly, very outgoing, and would do anything that you asked to make your ride more comfortable. Smooth ride the whole way, and pretty soon we were heading down into Denver Airport. As you can see by the video there, it was a totally different change of climate compared to Phoenix, Arizona. Anyway, once again, another flight with United, and I have to say we're very pleased with, and that's why we stay loyal to them. Hope you enjoyed watching this quick review, and please take the time to leave a comment. I do like to hear what people have to say about the videos. So thank you very much for watching. Take care.